Alright, welcome back to Susie's Sweet Treats. Tonight we're making dinner. Instead of a sweet treat, we're having Mississippi meatballs. I've seen the recipe on Facebook. Mississippi Queen, she's the one that showed it first. So here we are. Gonna go ahead and make this. Follow along and I'll show you how. Alright, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we're going to be making Mississippi meatballs. Instead of Mississippi pot roast, it's going to be meatballs. So we're kind of meal prepping. So we're going to start with all beef meatballs. And this is all going into the crock pot. Recipe calls for a family size bag. I don't have family size, so I just am using 2 bags of the regular size. Then 1 can of beef consommé goes in. 1 packet of au jus. I also need a packet of ranch dressing. So I'll get that out of the cabinet in a minute. I forgot to grab that out. A half a stick of butter. And then, depending on how hot and spicy you want your meatballs, you can use as few or as many of these pepperoncini peppers as you like. I don't like spicy, so I'll just use about 3 or 4. Since they're kind of small, I'll go with 4. So again, I'm going to add that 1 packet of ranch seasoning in here. We're going to put it on low and we're going to cook it for about 5 hours. If you put it on high, it's about 3 hours. So once it's done, I'll bring you back and show you what it looks like. Alright, 5 hours have gone by. The meatballs are ready. To make a sauce, I just did a cornstarch slurry. So you take about 1/2 cup of water and mix in about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and then throw it in the sauce and let it simmer just for a little bit, just to get a little bit of a thick sauce. So here's our plate to finish out the night. Again, Mississippi meatballs. I'm serving it over some plain white rice and I have some vegetable. So let's go ahead and take a bite. Flavorful, beefy. Yeah, great dinner. If you'd like to see some more, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know what else you'd like me to cook and or bake. And thanks for supporting the channel. Until next time.